Good morning students. Welcome to online class. In the last class example 7 completed. No need of example 8, example 9, example 10. Leave all the examples. We will see later. Write down example 11. It is in page number 70. So page number 70, example 11. Write the problem first and read the problem 2 or 3 times. Then there is clarification for you what is there in the problem. So page number 70, example 11, very important. And we are having the same model in 3.3 also. 3.4, third one also same model. So in this model we are having two sums. This is example 11 and one more problem on the same model. 3.4, third one also same model. Okay na? So what is there in the problem? We will see first. Find all the zeros of 2x power 4 minus 3x cube minus 3x square plus 6x minus 2. If you know 2 of its zeros are root 2 and minus root 2. So what is given? And we need to find out all the zeros. Zeros are nothing but factors. We need to find out zeros of the given polynomial. Zeros are nothing but factors. What is the polynomial given? 2x power 4 minus 3x cube minus 3x square plus 6x minus 2. Then two of its zeros are, two zeros are given, root 2 and minus root 2. Find the remaining zeros. So we need to find out zeros of the polynomial. What is given, right? Let us take the polynomial as p of x. Given p of x equal to solution 2x power 4 minus 3x cube minus 3x square plus 6x minus 2. This is the polynomial given. 2x power 4 minus 3x cube minus 3x square plus 6x minus 2. And what is the degree here? Degree is 4. Degree is 4 means it is biquadratic polynomial. So it is bi means 2. What is bi? 2. Biquadratic means 2. Total 4. Biquadratic polynomial. What is this? Biquadratic polynomial. Degree is 4. So it becomes biquadratic polynomial and it has at most means maximum. At most 4 zeros. So it is a biquadratic polynomial. What is biquadratic polynomial? Degree 4. And it has at most 4 zeros. Maximum 4 zeros. What is given? Given root 2 and minus root 2 are zeros of p of x. Totally how many zeros are there? 4. Out of 4, how many given? Root 2 and minus root 2 means 2 zeros are given. Out of 4, 2 are given. We need to find out 2 zeros. Okay now, total 4 are there. Remember, out of 4, 2 zeros are given. Root 2 and minus root 2 are the zeros of the polynomial. Find out the remaining zeros. Then, how to get the answer? How many zeros are given? 2 zeros are given means 2 factors are given. First one, root 2. Let us take the first zero as alpha. Let alpha equal to root 2. What is alpha? Root 2. Beta equal to minus root 2. Okay na? So let us take the zeros as alpha and beta. Let alpha equal to root 2. Beta equal to minus root 2. Then alpha plus beta. Add them. Alpha plus beta. What is alpha? This is first part of the problem. Okay na? Like first part of the problem. Alpha plus beta. Alpha root 2 plus beta minus root 2. alpha value root 2 plus beta value minus root 2. Root 2 plus into minus minus root 2. Root 2 cancel. What is the answer? 0. What is alpha plus beta? Alpha root 2 plus beta minus root 2 plus into minus minus root 2 cancel, we get 0. Then alpha into beta. Alpha into beta. What is alpha? Root 2. Into what is beta? Minus root 2. Okay na? So what we get? Minus root 2 how many times? 2 times. Root 2 how many times? 2 times. Square root 2 cancel. What we get? Minus 2. Okay na? So what is alpha? Root 2. What is beta? Minus root 2. Then what is alpha plus beta? Alpha means root 2 plus beta means minus root 2 plus into minus minus root 2 cancel. What we get? 0. Alpha plus beta 0. What is alpha into beta? Alpha root 2 into beta minus root 2 minus root 2 how many times? 2 times. Root 2 whole square. Square root cancel. What we get? Minus 2. Then what is quadratic polynomial formula? What is quadratic polynomial formula? Tell me what is quadratic polynomial formula? Quadratic polynomial having zeros alpha comma beta is quadratic polynomial having zeros alpha comma beta is k bracket x square minus x into alpha plus beta plus alpha beta. That is quadratic polynomial formula. K into x square minus x into alpha plus beta plus alpha beta. K x square minus x into what is alpha plus beta? 0 plus what is alpha beta? Minus 2. K x square x into 0 0 plus into minus minus 2. K leave 0 x square minus 2. What is k here? What is k? K is what? Constant. K is what? Denominator. K for constant. K for denominator. No denominator. So k value 1. Here k value 1. So 1 into x square minus 2. K value 1. 1 into x square minus 2. What we get? X square minus 2. It is g of x. Okay na? First part of the problem completed. See again. What is alpha? Plus root 2. What is beta? Minus root 2. What is alpha plus beta? Root 2 plus minus root 2. Plus into minus minus both cancel 0. What is alpha into beta? Root 2 into minus root 2. Minus root 2 whole square. Square root cancel minus 2. What is quadratic polynomial formula? K into x square minus x into alpha plus beta plus alpha beta. K, what is alpha plus beta? 0. What is alpha into beta? Minus 2. X into 0, 0. Plus into minus, minus 2. Okay na? Leave 0. X square minus 2. What is k value? K for constant, k for denominator, k value 1. Because there is no denominator, k value becomes 1. 1 bracket x square minus 2. 1 into x square minus 2, x square minus 2, let it be g of x. This is first part of the problem. And second part of the problem is, what is the second part of the problem? Divide the given biquadratic polynomial with quadratic polynomial. Division. Second part of the problem. Division. So 2x power 4 minus 3x cube minus 3x square plus 6x minus 2. Then divide with x square minus 2. Division. Then we will do division to find out the zeros. This is the procedure. What we did in first part, we are finding quadratic polynomial. What we are doing in second part, we are doing division in second part. Let us divide biquadratic polynomial with quadratic polynomial. Already you know how to do division. Do the rough work. What is the procedure? First term by first term. Procedure is what? First term by first term. What is the first term? 2x power 4. What is the first term? X square. So let us divide 2x power 4 with x square. Divide 2x power 4 with x square. Okay na? Procedure first by first. First by first. Always. First by first to find out quotient. First by first. What is the first? 2x power 4. By what is the first? X square. Now let us do cancellation. X how many times? 4 times. X how many times? 2 times. 2 times cancel. What is left? X square. What we get? 2x square. X 4 times. X 2 times. 4 times, 2 times cancel, 2 times left, 2x square. Where to write 2x square? Quotient. It becomes quotient 2x square. Now let us do multiplication. First division, then multiplication. What is the procedure for multiplication? 2x square into x square. Do the rough work if you are interested. 2x square into x square, how much? 2x power 4. So it is 2x power 4. Then 2x square into 2. 2x square into 2, how much? 4x square. Okay na? So minus, this is x cube term, leave it. This is minus 4x square. Okay na? So first by first, 2x power 4 by x square. X square, x power 4, x square times, what we get? 2x square, multiply with 2x square. 2x square into x square, 2x power 4 minus 2x square into 2. 2 2s are 4x square right here, not under x cube term. Then change the signs. This is what? Minus. Again this is plus. 2x power 4, 2x power 4 cancel. It will comes down like this. So what to write? Minus 3x cube. Okay na? So minus 3x cube. And here this is subtraction. This is minus. This is plus. Subtraction. 4x square minus 3x square. 1x square. 1x square. And 6x comes down. Plus 6x. Okay na? So minus 3x cube comes down. Here subtraction we get 1x square. 6x comes down. Now second step. Again first by first. What is the first? Minus 3x cube by what is the first? X square. Minus 3x cube by x square. Cancellation. What we get? Minus 3x, because x 3 times, x 2 times, 2 times cancel, 1 time left. So what we get here? Minus 3x. Then multiply. Then multiply. First division or next multiplication. Multiply with minus 3x. Do orally. Minus 3x into x. Minus 3x into x square. How much? Minus 3x cube. So minus 3x cube. Then minus into minus. Minus into minus. Plus 3x into 2. 3x into 2. 3x into 2. How much? 6x. 6x. Then it becomes plus. Change the signs. It becomes minus. Then minus 3x cube plus 3x cube cancel. Plus 6x minus 6x cancel. X square comes down. It becomes 1x square, you know already. And minus 2 comes down. Minus 2. X square minus 2. Then third part of the problem. Third part. How to get third quotient. So we are finding quotient through division and multiplication. Third one. Third part is what? Again, first by first. First one is what? X square. First one is what? X square. X square by x square. Both cancel 1. So plus 1. What we get? 1. Then multiply with 1. 1 into x square. X square. 1 2s are 2. 1 into x square. 1x square. 1 2s are 2. Okay na? Then change the signs again. Minus plus. Cancel, cancel. What we get? 0. So division first by first. First one is what? 2x power 4 by first one is what? X square. What we get? 2x square. Then multiplication. Signs change. These two cancel. Minus 3x cube is coming to down. This is 1x square. 6x is coming to down. Again first by first. Minus 3x cube by x square. Again cancellation. Minus 3x. Then multiplication. Minus 3x into x minus 3x cube. Minus into minus plus 3x into 2 6x. It becomes plus. It becomes minus. Here both cancel. Here 1x square comes down. 6x cancel. Minus 2 comes down. Okay na? You are getting 0. Then what is q of x? Quotient. Q of x equal to 2x square minus 3x plus 1. Then to find out zeros, equate q of x to 0. Let us equate q of x to 0. Third part of the problem. First part quadratic polynomial. Second part division. Third part factorization. Finding zeros. What is q of x? Q of x equal to 0. What is q of x? 2x square minus 3x plus 1 equal to 0. You know factorization procedure. First number into last number. 2 into 1. 2 1s are 2. Factors. 2 1s are 2. What number you want in the middle? Minus 3 you want. So both should be minus. Minus 2 minus 1. Then first one 2x square. Middle one change. So what to write? Minus 2x minus 1x. Remaining plus 1 equal to 0. Factorization procedure. Third part of the problem. Equate q of x to 0. What is q of x? 2x square minus 3x plus 1 equal to 0. What is the procedure for factorization? First number into last number. 2 into 1 2. What are the factors for 2? 2 1s are 2. By adding 2 and 1 we get 3. But you need minus 3 in the middle. Both should be minus. 2x square. Middle one only change. Minus 2x minus 1x plus 1 equal to 0. Then common. First two terms what is common? 2x common. What is left? X left minus 1. Last two terms what is common? Minus 1 common. X minus 1 equal to 0. Both the brackets should be same for factorization. Then outside the bracket 2x minus 1. Inside the bracket x minus 1 equal to 0. Two brackets is 0. Means first bracket equal to 0 or second bracket equal to 0. Minus 1 becomes plus 1. Minus 1 becomes plus 1. X equal to 1 by 2 or x equal to 1. Okay na? So q of x equal to 0. Factorization 2x square minus 3x plus 1 equal to 0. First number 2 into last number 1. 2 into 1 2. Factors 2 1s are 2. You need minus 3 in the middle. So both should be minus. Only middle term change in factorization. First one 2x square no change. Middle one minus 3x. Instead of minus 3x what we will write? Minus 2x minus 1x plus 1 equal to 0. First two terms 2x common. What is left? X minus 1. Last two terms minus 1 common. Sign change. X minus 1 equal to 0. Both the brackets should be same. Then only factorization is okay. Outside the bracket 2x minus 1. Inside the bracket x minus 1 equal to 0. First bracket equal to 0 or second bracket equal to 0. minus 1 becomes plus 1, minus 1 becomes plus 1, x equal to 1 by 2 or x equal to 1. Therefore, last step root 2 minus root 2, 1 by 2, comma 1 are zeros of p of x. In the next class, we start exercise 3.1. Thank you, students.